The horse who refused to give up. There was an old horse, not just any horse, one who had spent years carrying burdens, enduring storms, loyal beyond reason. His coat was grayed by age, his muscles worn, but his spirit? Quiet, steady, enduring. One day, everything changed. The horse stumbled and fell into a pit. Deep, dark, narrow. The kind of place where hope feels thin and the walls seem endless. His owner rushed to his side. He tugged on the reins, called out his name, called for help. But the walls were sheer, unyielding, and the pit seemed determined to hold him. The horse panicked. Fear surged like electricity through his veins. He thrashed, he kicked, he cried out, and yet, no matter how hard he fought, he could not escape. The cold earth pressed down. The shadows swallowed him. The owner stopped. He weighed his options, but the horse was old, tired, fragile. He could see the years written in every bone. And in a dark, quiet moment, he made a decision that would feel like the end. He grabbed a shovel and began to throw dirt into the pit. The dirt rained down on the horse's back. At first he screamed. Panic took him. The walls grew higher with every handful of soil. And then, something remarkable happened. The horse did not succumb. Instead of collapsing under the weight, he shook it off. He let it slide to his hooves. Step by step, motion by motion, he began to rise. Every shove of earth that was meant to bury him became a foundation to climb. Every hand that tried to trap him was transformed into a tool for survival. Pain, fear, pressure, all of it became leverage. Hours passed. Every movement was a battle. Every breath a statement. The horse, old and weary, refused to give in. And slowly, impossibly, he climbed. Until finally, exhausted but unbroken, he emerged from the pit. He was changed. Scarred by the experience, yes, but stronger than he had ever been. The dirt that threatened to bury him had instead forged resilience. The walls that held him had become his steps upward. Reflection, moral. Life has a way of throwing dirt on all of us. Failures, setbacks, disappointments, fears. It comes relentlessly, as if to bury us alive. The choice is ours, to let the weight crush us, or to rise with it, to use the pressure, the pain, the obstacles, as the very steps that lift us higher. Strength is not the absence of hardship. It is the courage to rise under the weight of it, step by step, breath by breath, motion by motion. Remember this, the things meant to break you can also make you. Keep moving, keep shaking off the dirt, and one day you will stand above the pit that once held you, stronger, wiser, unstoppable.